How to make your YouTube channel visible in YouTube search. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can make your YouTube channel visible in YouTube search. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to youtube.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, to make your YouTube channel visible, you want to click on the profile icon. From here, you want to click on the YouTube Studio option. Once you click on this, from the left hand side panel, you will find different options. Click on settings over here. Now from these options, select the option of channel. Then here you have the keywords section. Go ahead and add your SEO keywords over here. So you want to make sure that you add all the keywords associated with your channel. Then click on the save option. After that is done, from the left hand side panel, find the option of customization. Now you want to scroll down and find the option of description. Here you want to type in a very interesting description of your channel. Make sure that you enter all of the keywords over here. After you've entered the description, you want to click on the publish option at the top right corner. Now, using these two methods, you will be able to make your YouTube channel visible in YouTube search. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.